In today's video, I want to give you guys 3 examples of my clients with a deep sunken chest and how they improved it with exercise. And I'm going to show you their transformation and kind of explain each of their transformations and their journey. So the first example I want to show you guys is my client called Isaac. He's a teenager on the program with a deep case of Pectus Excavatum, and for him, his skinniness and his posture was definitely accentuating his pectus. And so for him, the game plan was build weight, build muscle in key areas around the condition: abs, chest, lower chest. So it's separating from the ribs, and then the abs around the rib flare and the pot belly, okay? And then also really focus on his posture as well through stretching, strengthening the back to make his pectus look better. And that's exactly what we've done. He's been with me for a year. His transformation is incredible. He's gained so much weight, gained a lot of confidence, and he's gone for someone with like no experience in the gym to, loving the gym and working out, making that part of his lifestyle and building a body he's a lot more confident in. Really impressed with his transformation. Now, granted, it is a very severe case, so it's still noticeable, but it looks so much better. Now, when you have a severe case and you're coming from quite a skinny beginning, it takes time. This has been a year, but he's going to keep working to make it even better. Okay, so the milder your case is and the more muscle you have going into it, the quicker we can achieve this result. If you're really skinny or you're really overweight, one of the two, and so we've got a lot of muscle to build or fat to lose and a posture to change, and then you've got a deep case, it's going to take even longer and even better of a physique to mask it. So his journey's still evolving, but his transformation itself is very incredible for 1 year. He's going to continue training, and with Isaac, he's also going to start implementing the vacuum bell because he's still growing. So he should be able to get a permanent change to his chest wall because he's growing, okay? If you're an adult, typically it seems to be more of like a band-aid than like a permanent change. But plenty of studies, and I've seen it firsthand with people who are still growing, getting that really permanent change with the vacuum bell. So I'm excited to see his results with that. Just wanted to share with you guys what Isaac had to say about the training.
Hey, my name is Isaac. I started off with Riley's program last year in October. When I started, I was really thin. My pectus was really severe, and now it has changed completely. I have gone up almost 2 sizes in t-shirts and sweaters. My weight is completely different, and my muscles, I get so much compliments from friends, family, on my arms, on my chest, on how I changed this year, and I'm so grateful for this. It's the best decision I have ever made. Just want to keep going now. I have so much motivation to just keep the ball rolling, and I'm also starting on the vacuum bell now, so my motivation has never been better.
The next transformation I want to share with you guys is my client called Bo. Now, he has a deep case of Pectus Excavatum, like Isaac, but his is being accentuated in contrast, not because he's skinny, but because he's overweight, which is accentuating that pot belly, okay? And so for him, the target was to lose the fat, lose that pot belly, get abs, get a six-pack, get obliques, build those muscles over the rib flare, over the pot belly, build the chest muscles to make it look better. And that's exactly what we did. His transformation is awesome. Again, it took a year. He was on my plan for a year, and I'm so proud of him. With a deep case, it's very hard to make it look so much less noticeable, and he's done exactly that. It looks so much better, and he's built confidence in his body. He's taking flexing videos and things, and that's cool. To learn to love yourself with a deep case and build a body you're confident in is, what it's all about. So really proud of Bo. This is what he had to say about the training.
Hey, what's up everyone? This is Bo, and I was on Riley's PectusPT program from December 2022 to December 2023. And I'd say when I started the program, physically, I was had a lumpy, skinny, fat guy body. After 1 year, I'm a lot leaner. I've lost 20 pounds, have more definition, especially my torso. That was one that I really struggled with before. Very satisfying to see that, and just a huge confidence booster. I feel like things like the yoga really help, where they get you kind of centered on your breathing and your movements and your posture and how you carry yourself. Those are just some of the things I've noticed and that I've come away with, and very appreciative of it. So thank you, Riley. It's a great program, well designed. Can't recommend it enough. So thank you. Bye.
And then the last deep case that I wanted to share with you guys is Matthew. His pectus, again, it's quite similar to Bo. He had extra body fat, so that was accentuating his pot belly, his rib flare, and his indent, and so that was the primary concern, as well as his posture. And like Bo, he's got a lean, ripped physique with abs and chest muscles that are developed and defined and sculpted around the indent, and we've opened his posture in a way that made his pectus look less noticeable. And like Bo, his transformation was also a year as well. And this is what Matthew had to say about the training.
Hi, my name is Matthew. I'm 43. I'm from the UK. and I've been on the program for about a year now. I've got a more severe case of pectus, and it's really affected me throughout my life. Probably been really anxious about my pectus since I was about the age of 13. The programs are brilliant, focusing on my pectus, but also on all aspects of my body as well. It's really helped me with my form. I'm sending videos, and you'll send things back with some advice on how to do things properly straight away, so it's really good. He's also helped me a lot with my nutrition. While the program had a bit of a dad bod going on, so he's helped me work out what calories I should be eating the right foods, and it's really helped me to lean out and get a more aesthetic look on my abs, which is something that I really wanted because I hated the way that I had a pot belly, so that's been really good for me. The stretching's really helped me correct my posture. My posture's so much better than it was before. The biggest challenge I probably have had to overcome this year is obviously taking my t-shirt off. So when I first went to the pool, I was covering my indent with my goggles, hiding it away because I was so scared of people looking at me. After a few weeks, I started to reduce holding my goggles in front of my pectus, and then I don't even hold it in front of my pectus anymore at all. I have my arms down and I'm not bothered anymore. And I talk to people as I'm getting into the pool, and I have chats with people, and it doesn't bother me anymore. Nobody looks at it. Nobody cares about it. Nobody's asked me about it. So it's probably been all in my head, really. It's been really beneficial for me, the program. My pectus has really improved. Abs are better, my rib flare is better, and I've also gained quite a few friends down the gym, so it's been really positive for my mental health and for my social life as well. I've got quite a good group of friends that I talk to each day in the gym, so yeah, I'd recommend it to anybody.
All three testimonials are incredible. They all show what you can achieve if you have a deep case of Pectus Excavatum, okay? You can still achieve an amazing result. You can build so much more confidence in your body and make it look so much less noticeable. So a lot of times I get like only people with mild cases reach out to me because they think it only works best for mild. It definitely works best if you have a mild case in terms of like making it like unnoticeable, but even with a severe case, we can make it look so much better. Okay, so much better. And we can build the best body that you can have and make your case of pectus that you have as least noticeable as possible. We're all different. Everyone's pectus is different. So it's about achieving your best body and the one that makes your case pectus as least noticeable as possible. And doing this through exercise without having to go through something like surgery, which is obviously very expensive most of the time if it's not covered under healthcare, and pretty scary and painful and extreme. So, you know, that's why I try and provide this way to overcome your pectus, which is exercise, which is something you should all be doing anyway. So why not have a plan that's just tailored to pectus to make that look better and then also improve your health, your strength, your fitness, and everything else, and your life. So yeah, these are just three examples of a deep sunken chest and how much they can improve it with pectus. If you're looking to do the same, then you should book a strategy call with me so I can meet you, determine the plan for you, and then we can go from there.